Good morning, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you for the Social Science online class. Last class, we have seen about the types of soil and their formation. In this class, we are going to see about soils and their formation and the classification of soils. What is soil? Soil is the loose material consisting of inorganic particles and organic matter that covers much of the land surface. Soil provides the structural support and the source of water and nutrients for plants used in agriculture. Soil composition. The basic components of soil are 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% of water and 25% of air. The composition of soil varies from place to place and time to time. Classification of soils. Soils are classified on the basis of their formation, color, physical and chemical properties. Based on this, soil is classified into 6 major types. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. What are the types of soils? Alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. Alluvial soil. These soils are found in the regions of river valleys, floodplains and coastal regions. These are formed by the deposition of silt by the running water. It is suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat and other food crops. Black soil. These soils are formed by the weathering of igneous rocks. Black soil is clayey in nature. It is retentive of moisture. It is ideal for the growth of cotton. Red soil. These soils are formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks and crystalline rocks. The presence of iron oxide makes this soil brown to red in color. It is usually found in semi-arid regions. It is not a fertile soil. It is suitable for millet cultivation. Mountain soil. These soils are found over the slopes of the mountain. Soils in these regions are thin and acidic. These soils differ from region to region based on the altitude. These soils are well suited for the growth of tea, coffee on the mountain slopes. Laterite soils. These soils are found in the tropical regions. As these soils are formed by the process of leaching, it is infertile. It is suitable for plantation crops of tea and coffee. Desert soil. These soils are sandy soil found in the hot desert region. Since it is infertile, agriculture in these regions are not so successful. Layers of soil. Horizon or humus. This layer is dominated by organic material. Horizon or topsoil. It is a part of topsoil composed of organic matter mixed with mineral matter. Horizon or elevator layer. E stands for elevator layer. This layer is significantly leached of clay. Horizon or subsoil. This layer reflects the chemical or physical alteration of parent material. Horizon or parent rock, partially weathered parent material accumulates in this layer. Horizon parent rock. This layer consists of unweathered part of bedrock. Uses of soils. Soil is one of the important natural resources. It is a basic requirement for plant growth and supports various life forms on the earth. The mineral present in the soil enhances and nourishes the crops and plants. It is used for making ceramics or potteries. It is a source of material for construction and handicraft works. It is also a natural filter of water and purifies it. Soil supports ecosystem and play an important role in land management. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of soil by natural forces and human activities. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of the soil. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. Conservation of soil. Soil conservation is a process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. The methods that are widely practiced for conserving soils are afforestation, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, contour ploughing, etc. Rocks and soils are the important renewable natural resources. Both of them play an important role in everyday life of human beings as well as economic development. So, the soil resources must be conserved. We will see in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.